Camp Neo here, and this is a prologue to the first episode on Notes on Neo, where we define what neo-progressive rock is. It's three components. There's a geographic component, there's a stylistic component, and there's a chronological component. First is geographic. It's obviously United Kingdom, but unlike the original progressive rock movement, it's not centered in London. It's actually spread out across the UK, and especially Scotland plays an important part. Chronologically, it's the early 1980s, with 1983 being a pivotal year with the release of Script for a Jester's Tear by Marillion. Stylistically, it's easier to understand, and it can read right from Ed Macon's book, Rockin' the Classics, page 202, where he writes, the British neo-progressive style is perhaps even easier to define than the progressive rock style of the 1970s. The primary reason is that so many of these bands, Marillion, IQ, Pendragon, Pallas, use one specific source, mid-period Genesis, i.e. 1973 to 1977 as a starting point.
I was modifying Macon's analysis of Neoprogressive by saying it's Genesis, post-Gabriel, but before Hackett left, especially the first post-Gabriel album, which was Trick of the Tail.
This is not to repeat the common assertion that the band sound just like Genesis. Now we move on to the first episode of Notes on Neo.